Guys, check out this channel. It has uploaded just 138 videos, and it already has 410,000 subscribers. And guys, if you look at its other videos, almost all of them have reached millions of views. And guys, if you watch this particular video, it has already hit 110 million views. And 110 million views is more than enough for any channel to get monetized. And here's the amazing part. This channel creates videos on just one secret niche: animating bedroom floors. That's it. No actors, no filming, no expensive equipment, just AI-generated content. And guys, making these videos is actually pretty easy. You can do it too, completely free, using just one AI tool, and the process can be done in a few minutes. Now guys, check out this video I just made myself in just 5 minutes. You can see that the quality turned out amazing. This demonstrates that you don't need expensive setups or editing teams. And here's the kicker. Most tutorials you've seen so far have used Grok, which is a paid tool. But I'm going to show you how to do it completely free without Grok. This is a game changer because now anyone can replicate these results. First, you need to open ChatGPT. Once you do, you'll need a master prompt to generate your video. Don't worry about creating it yourself. I've prepared it for you already. You can find it in the description. Once you open it, copy the master prompt completely and paste it into ChatGPT. Press enter and ChatGPT will generate a set of image and video prompts. These prompts are what tell the AI exactly how to create the images, what angles to use, the type of lighting, the textures, and the animation sequence. The better your prompts, the better your final video will be. This is just a standard theme, but if you want a specific theme, you can simply type it into ChatGPT. For example, if you want a Kakashi-themed bedroom, just write Kakashi and it will generate prompts accordingly. You can experiment with different styles, characters, or animated themes, and the AI will produce them exactly how you imagine. This flexibility is what makes AI video creation so powerful. You're no longer limited by pre-made templates or expensive software. But for now, I'm sticking with a standard theme so we can focus on step-by-step execution. The first step is to copy the first image prompt, because this prompt will generate the foundation for the entire video. Now copy the image prompt. Next, open Flows, a completely free AI tool that gives you daily credits to generate videos. After logging in, click Get Started and create a new project. Now, the Flow interface looks like this. This is a very powerful interface, so don't take it lightly. Here we'll generate all our images and videos. So first, change the generation model from video to image. After that, make sure Nano Banana Pro is selected. Now here, paste the prompt we copied earlier. Press enter and your image will be generated. Look at the image. The lighting, perspective, and detail are incredible. This single image will serve as the start frame for your video, which is why it's crucial to get it right. Once the image is ready, we move on to animation. Switch to the video model in Flows, turn off 2x speed to save credits, and add your generated image as the start frame. Copy the Scene 1 video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and press enter. In seconds, your first scene is ready.
Careful with the red pigment here. It needs to be precise for the sharing in eyes.
Yes, I'm using the fine brush.
The black cloak outline looks good now.
You can see the result turned out really amazing. Everything looks detailed, and that's awesome for a tool like this. Now let's generate the next scene. To generate the next scene, scroll to the end of the timeline, save the last frame as an image, upload it, then copy the Scene 2 prompt from ChatGPT and paste it. Now our second scene is also generated. Let's see it. Wow guys, the video looks amazing, the lighting looks great, and everything looks perfect. Repeat this for all scenes. This is how I generated all my scenes easily. Finally, download all your clips. You can edit them in Premiere Pro, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or any software you prefer. I personally use Premiere Pro. So I'll just open it and create a new project after that. Import your clips, add cuts, transitions, and background music, sync everything, remove unnecessary clips, and export your video. And here's the final result. An amazing video created entirely with free AI tools in just minutes. And there you have it, guys. The final result looks absolutely stunning. The quality, the animations, everything came out better than expected. Honestly, for a completely free AI tool and just a few minutes of work, this is next level professional. If you follow these steps, you can create videos just like this. And trust me, the results will blow your mind.